Understanding Forex Brokers, your guide to currency trading. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to demystify the term Forex broker. If you've ever wondered what it means and how it relates to the world of finance, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this key financial player. A forex broker is an intermediary who enables traders to access the currency market. Forex stands for foreign exchange, and it involves the trading of currencies. The broker provides a platform for individuals to buy and sell foreign currencies in pairs, like USD, EUR, US dollars and euros. They make it possible for you to participate in the global economy, right from your computer or mobile device. Forex brokers play a crucial role in the market. They provide you with real-time currency prices and facilitate transactions. Brokers may also offer tools for market analysis and educational resources to help traders make informed decisions. It's important to choose a reputable broker, as they are responsible for executing your trades and holding your funds. When selecting a forex broker, consider factors such as regulation, customer service, and transaction fees. A regulated broker is typically more trustworthy. Customer service is vital for addressing any issues you may encounter. Lastly, be mindful of fees and spreads, as these can affect your profitability. Many forex brokers offer leverage. This means you can control a large position with a relatively small amount of capital. However, leverage can also amplify losses, so it's important to use it cautiously. Understanding the risks and managing your trades carefully is a key part of forex trading. We hope this video has shed light on what a forex broker is and the significant role they play in currency trading. Always remember, the key to successful forex trading is education, careful selection of your broker, and prudent risk management. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your language learning and trading endeavors.